We've just passed the middle of May, which means it's time for us to get the tree count to Fedco. Since we need to spend a day at the nursery counting trees, Michael and I decided ahead of time that this would also be a good time for us to side dress the trees with compost. Over the weekend, I borrowed the tractor and the truck and took them both down the road from the farm where there's a wonderful couple that allows me to gather as much manure as I can for free. All I have to do is load it. The manure we're going to be using on the trees is 3 and 4 years old, and beautiful stuff. Before we lay down compost beside the trees, Michael and I want to take one more pass with our cultivation tools. We were just here a couple weeks ago and did this around the trees that we'll be selling back this fall, which are on the right, and on the ground in this row before we planted it. However, it's spring, the time of constant renewal. It always amazes me how quickly weeds can return, even after you feel like you've scoured the area only recently. However, since we just cultivated a couple weeks ago, this cultivation run doesn't take that long. That's the name of the game for success. We're determined to ensure the nursery is cultivated regularly so weeds never get a foothold and the trees get all the water, sunlight, fresh air, and fertility they want without competition.